somebody with 20 or 30 years of experience, frequently that just means they repeated the same first year 20 or 30 times. That is really bad for you as a homeowner. Most contractors never seek continuing education. They start something and then all they do is repeat the same year over 20 or 30 years. You wouldn't want to drive a 20-year-old car, so why would you want 20-year-old technology in your home? You wouldn't. There is a way for contractors to get continuous education and to become better. Today, I'm sharing with you a training event I will be attending in just 2 months, and I hope to see more Canadians out there because I'm frequently the only Canadian contractor who's looking to get better. My name is Tian. I run Handy Solutions. We're a premium bathroom, kitchen, and basement renovation contractor in Toronto, Ontario. If you're looking to have lasting value into your own home and have top-notch quality service throughout the entire process, please check out our reviews on Google and our website at handysolutions.ca. This conference is put on by the software I use, which is called JobTread. It allows me to save all my templates and have a very clear communication with my homeowner clients when they have a change order or have a scope change. So I have a state-of-the-art software, and they are also continuously looking to get better. They are a US-based company, so in the previous events that they put on, I'm frequently the only Canadian contractor who's looking to get better. And guys, we have to do better. Ontario is the same GDP per capita as the poorest US state, Mississippi. So to close that gap, we have to invest in our knowledge and to get better ourselves. This conference takes place from January 14th to 16th in Dallas, Texas. It features a lot of software-specific training and also more marketing, communication, and general business knowledge training. I feel these knowledges are very, very helpful, and the featured speaker, Marcus Sheridan, wrote the book, They Ask, You Answer, which pointed the way to me being a much more effective communicator by spending the time to make these videos one time, and then people can watch it and research it and get to know me before they ever talk to me. So he's going to be speaking at the event itself. The event itself is $800 US. After tax, it's around $860. That's around 1,100 Canadian. Plus, you have to pay for your hotel and flight there. So overall, for the whole event, I would say you can look to spend around $2,500 to $3,000. And if you want to stay a couple days earlier or a couple days later like me, you can expect to spend around $5,000. I really hope I'm not the only Canadian at the conference this year. So guys, if you're watching this, please send this to you or a contractor you know, and I hope to make everyone better. Most contractors never seek continuing education. They start something and then all they do is repeat the same year over 20 or 30 years. So when you're hearing about somebody with 20 or 30 years of experience, frequently that just means they repeated the same first year 20 or 30 times. That is really bad for you as a homeowner because building industries are always trying to improve. Okay, there are people like me, there are people like JobTread and other manufacturers who are always trying to do better. You wouldn't want to drive a 20-year-old car, so why would you want 20-year-old technology in your home? You wouldn't. I hope more contractors in Ontario adopt a training and ever-growing mindset like I have.